Now with the full look at weather Authority Chief Meteorologist Bianca.
Well, we don't really want to talk about fire season, but with rainfall numbers as low as they've been, for example, in the Salinas Airport, only 5.73 inches of rain during our rainy season. So this goes back to July 1st. We've only seen less than 6 inches. And normally by this time of year, we would have seen about a foot of rain. So that's only 48% of normal. That 48% is pretty close to what you're going to get in Santa Cruz, Watsonville, the Santa Cruz Mountains, Monterey, even our inland valleys, most locations between about 45 and 60% of average for the season. So again, looking pretty dry out there and not much hope in sight. Now, we did have an area of low pressure that's brought some showers across the Great Basin, the Sierra Nevada, and even a brief little shower in the far eastern San Benito County today, but that is the only real chance of rain in the near term. In fact, this thing's on its way out. An area of high pressure is going to kick it out, and you can see the colors on this map showing a big ridge of high pressure building in, maxing out basically this weekend on Sunday. That's when I expect the temperatures to be the warmest. It will flatten out a little bit early next week, but then rebuild off to our west and potentially bring another wave of warmer weather toward the end of next week. So next 2 weeks looking pretty dry. With that said, computer models are eventually breaking this ridge down and pushing this trough of low pressure in roughly around April 24th, 25th, and they are showing some precipitation for our area, but that's over 10, 11 days away. So a couple weeks of dry weather expected here on the Central Coast, and we're going to be talking about some other things like more summertime weather, some low clouds, for example. Now today, with that area of low pressure nearby, it actually helped mix out a marine layer. We did get some clearing. Tomorrow, the marine layer will get a little bit more stabilized, and what that means is we're going to see a little bit more low cloud cover tomorrow. So even though the low, which is typically associated with cooler temperatures, is on its way out, we're actually going to cool down a bit on the coast over the next couple of days as high pressure builds in. So we wake up tomorrow morning, I expect us to wake up to low clouds around the bay and into the interior valleys. And some of those clouds may stick around the bay at times during the day tomorrow, with onshore flow continuing. Less sunshine on the coast, cooler temperatures on the coast. On the other side of things, inland areas are going to start to warm up as that ridge builds in. So we're going to see a little bit of a switcheroo tomorrow. We're back into the 70s in Ben Lomond and Boulder Creek, upper 60s Scotts Valley, Felton, mid to lower 60s down on the coast in Santa Cruz County until you get out to Davenport, where you'll stay in the 50s. 60 in Aptos tomorrow, low 60s in Watsonville and Marina, but mid 60s in Salinas, and close to 70 tomorrow in Hollister. Over to Monterey, the peninsula and vicinity, we'll see highs in the upper 50s. Another cooler day on the peninsula. I mean, you were cool today, but you got a little sunshine, I suppose, so that probably felt pretty nice. And then southwise, we're going to see some warmer temperatures. 70s by Greenfield and King City, Bradley at 74 tomorrow, upper 60s back to Big Sur in Carmel Valley. Over the next 7 days, temperatures staying a little cool on the coast for the next 3. We'll warm up starting on Sunday, I think, with the marine layer getting compressed enough that we're going to warm up quite a bit for most coastal cities. So Sunday looking like the nicest day of the weekend. Beyond that, so the ridge weakens a little bit. We'll probably see an expansion in the marine layer and some low clouds and cooler temperatures returning early next week. But we may see another peak of temperatures by the end of next week on the coast. Inland areas will be much warmer. We're going to see a steady increase in temperatures all the way into the weekend, and then we'll top out about 10 degrees above normal Sunday and Monday. Some inland areas may be in the upper 80s, perhaps close to 90 degrees in the south Sunday and Monday afternoon. So there is going to be some heat. We'll get another shot of it at the end of next week, and then I guess we're hoping for some rain come the last weekend of April.
Sounds good, Dan. Thank you.